Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 44. We are on Unit 4. This is Lesson 6, Writing. Prepare to write. Activity 1. Match notes A to G to the plan for a magazine article. So as you can see here, there are around 3 paragraphs. So one is for introduction, and then the main body and ending. So given answer for question number 1. So name and job. So number 1 is C. So David Taylor, helicopter pilot. So its name and job. And then number 2, where he works. So this is a place, and you will need to find place on these options here. So the place, obviously this is a place, so Antarctica. So number 2 is D. So this is in an unusual place. And then this is dash, slightly longer than the hyphen. So this is dash. And then Antarctica. Then we have number 3. How long he has done it. So how long? So meaning for duration. So this is for 5 years. For 5 years. And then we have number 4. What he does in his job. So number 4. So this is flies a helicopter to bring food and medicine. So number 4 is F. Flies a helicopter to bring food and medicine. And then number 5, so this is paragraph 2, or the main body. So number 5, why he choose it. So because he loves flying and visiting interesting places. So this is it. Number 5 is E. So loves. So maybe you need to write smaller a bit, or slightly move to the left. So we're sitting. Interesting places. Number 6, recent interesting experience. So this is G. So made a hole in the ice to see animals underwater. So made. So this sentence is also slightly longer. So made a hole in the ice to see animals. So underwater. And then paragraph 3 or ending. So number 7, what he likes most. So number 7 is B. Best moments. Are getting close. To wildlife. And then we go to activity 2. Which paragraph 1, 2, or 3 do these sentences come from? So number 1 already given answer is 2. So this is a main body. So as you can see here, this is recent interesting experience. So we saw seals and penguins under the ice. So this is recent interesting experience. So it's on paragraph 2. And then number 2, he sometimes rescues sick people or animals. So number 2 is on paragraph 1. So basically this is it. What he does in his job. So this is relevant. And he sometimes rescues sick people or animals. So besides flies a helicopter to bring food and medicine. So another job is this. So number 2 is on paragraph 1. And then number 3, my favorite thing is looking at the landscape and all the ice. So this is on paragraph 3 because this is what he likes most. So this is number 3. It's on paragraph 3. And then we go to number 4. I wanted to do something completely different. So this is relevant to this number 5. So why he chose it? Because he wanted to do something completely different. So this is on paragraph 2. And then we go to activity 3. Activity 3. Answer the questions to add more information to the article. So number 1, what is the climate like in Antarctica? So obviously it is very cold. So it is extremely cold. So I can write the answer as, so maybe I maximize a bit. So I can write as, it is extremely cold. And number 2, how does David feel about working there? So this is, he enjoys it. But sometimes it is difficult and lonely. And number 3, how is his job challenging or rewarding? So you can write as, he loves flying. So this is just a suggested answer. You can write your own. So he loves flying. So he sees interesting places. And wildlife. And then continue. So he brings food and medicine to people in need. So that's it for today. So basically this page 44, you will need to use a lot of information to write on page 45. So you are ready to write now. So make sure you maybe go through again on this sentence so that you can write properly on page 45. So that's it for today. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can consume the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link, you can click it so you can join my diagram robot that I developed.